Hello, how are you doing today? Hello, how are you doing today? I am doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you? I am doing great. Thank you for asking. What about you? Pretty good here. What about you? Pretty good here. What about you? I am doing good as well. I am doing good as well. Well, that is great. Well, that is great. I am a little bit hungry. You want some pizza? I am a little bit hungry. Want some pizza? In about 1 hour, I will be hungry. In about 1 hour, I will be hungry. In about 1 hour, I will be hungry. Is there any restaurant you have in mind? Is there any restaurant you have in mind? No, not really. I like anything. No, not really. I like anything. What is your favorite pizza? What is your favorite pizza? I like supreme and cheese with extra cheese. I like supreme with cheese, extra cheese. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. We can take my car if you want. We can take my car if you want. That will be perfectly fine. That will be perfectly fine. That will be perfectly fine. Okay, let me go into my bedroom to get changed. Okay, let me go to my bedroom to get changed. In order to master this lesson completely, you may have to play this video over and over several times before going to the next lesson. If you're satisfied with this lesson, subscribe to my channel to keep up with fresh uploads of English lessons. Also stay tuned for lesson 4. See you again.